Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we shall look at the Bilt credit card review. Alright, so we are on the NerdWallet's website and we shall use this website to review this credit card. As you can see, the title here says, is a Bilt Mastercard worth getting or it's not? So guys, those who don't know, the Bilt Mastercard is the best way to earn valuable travel rewards by paying rent, but it won't be for everyone. All right, so moving ahead to the topics over here, as you can see, here is the introduction. The Bilt World Elite Mastercard credit is currently the only credit card that lets you travel within the whole world using your payment on the annual fee monthly. All right, so guys, let's go straight to the point over here. As you can see, here are some of the key facts or the key factors that can help you judge it, or that can help you take your stand on whether it's valid or whether it's worth it. Okay, so the annual fee, there is nothing. There is no annual fee. Is there any sign-up bonus? No, there is no sign-up bonus. And some of the rewards they give you is that they give you 5 Bilt points per $1 you spend. So this means, guys, if you spend $1, or let's assume you spend like $50 to if you spend like $50 to travel to a given place, they give you 5 Bilt points for each dollar you spend. So that means you'll be multiplying the $50 you've spent times 5, and that literal will be around 500 Bilt points. So this is some of the rewards. They also give you 3 Bilt points per dining. They give you 2 Bilt points per travel, and then 1 Bilt point per rent, which is up to 100,000 points. Okay, so those are some of the benefits. Let's move on to the next benefit over here. Then primarily, they also give you an auto damage collision waiver. This one is also a good one. And if you scroll on over here, it has a good benefit rate. So according to me, guys, I would say this card is worth it. I'm taking my stance saying this card is really a good card, and I would advise you to get it. Okay, guys, that's it from this review. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.